What's going on, street photographers?
I'm back with another video. Currently I'm down, what's this, Market Street? 23rd and Market. It rained earlier today, so that was kind of heart-wrenching, but the rain has stopped. So I'm happy about that. I'm back out here. Well, I'm out here now. Walking to try to see if I can get some good stuff. So far, I took a couple shots. Y'all be able to see. I'll post them or put them in the video. But I would have loved for it to rain today for some reason, because I wanted to take like some shots, not in the rain per se, but some raining shots. But it's all good. It'll rain again, I'm sure. We're looking forward to 2 days on the weekend of rain. So, but yeah, I'm downtown again, Philadelphia, and I'm looking for some stuff to see that's real interesting.
It's kind of after rush hour downtown, so there's not that many people. But I'm sure if I keep walking, I'll see some stuff that I might like. You just gotta keep focused. I think I kind of like this guy right here, because he's crossing the street. He on the phone. Let's see if I can get it. Downtown Philadelphia, y'all. I should have been over here on this side on rush hour, but I decided to go to our 30th Street Station. I don't really care for our 30th Street Station like that. It's not as epic like if you was like in Grand Central Station, but I mean, to me it's kind of basic. But Philadelphia alone is kind of like, it's kind of basic though. But you gotta work with what you got in the city that you in. If not, then you won't. I guess you won't be taking no pictures. But he got a red shirt on. Probably drop my.
Winding down my day. I think I did a pretty good job today. I can't stress how exhilarating it is when you know, do your job. Like, you take the pictures that you want to take, and you don't know how they're gonna come out. You just, I try not to look at the viewfinder after I take pictures. It's kind of hard not to, because you actually want to see what you're doing. But if you do that, then you become real critical of yourself. But I think it's all a part of that fear that you don't necessarily want to have. You want to have the ability just to come out and do what you can do, you know what I mean? Like, essentially what I like to do is, and what I've been trying to teach myself, is taking my time. Teach myself before I cross the street. But there was a lot of fear I had at first of taking pictures of strangers. But I think once you get over that fear and you just actually go out there and do it, you'll find that it's much easier and you be more aggressive with it, So if you can, just like, comment, and subscribe. And also comments and everything is more welcome. But make sure you hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I see y'all. I'm out.